Hi, my name is Tiffany, and today we are making beet juice. Beet juice is good for high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and it may be good for liver support. So let's get started. Okay, now we are about to get ready to juice. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I like to do is I like to add a few pieces of fruit in there first. And I'm gonna start with my apples. Get your apples because the apples will really help with the taste because beet juice is very, very strong. Okay, now we have everything that we need out of this here machine. We'll put that juicer to the side. And here's our juice. And here's our strainer. We're going to strain the juice. Just like this. Okay. All that out of there. Beet juice is very strong. It'll stain your fingers, so you want to be careful not to touch it or wear gloves. I'll wear gloves the next time, but it'll get all of that extra stuff out of there. So now that we have our juice, it's ready. Go ahead and get you 2 containers like this because you'll need them, or you can leave it in this pitcher if you want to. It's up to you. And we're gonna get our coconut water, and what I like to do is 1 cup of coconut water. I like to add that to my beet juice. So I'm gonna open this up now. Get your little measuring cup. Pour that in there. Coconut water is really good for you. That's a cup, okay? And we're just gonna pour that into this here. Grab this, stir it up real good. So I like to get a cup of ice because the beet juice is very strong and can be thick and kind of hard to drink. So I like to drink it with ice. And give this a good 1 more stir. Good stir, right? Okay. Put that there. Get your glass for your juice. Ooh, it's got a beautiful color. Very beautiful color. Okay, I got that one. And then I have my little extra one here. Put this in here, and I'll have this tomorrow. Right. Great. Okay.